Okay, next we'll explore how to use AI tools for brand and product naming within the healthcare and medical device industries, ensuring our names communicate effectively, resonate with our audience, and comply with regulatory standards. Let's dive in. First, you should know that product or service naming in healthcare is crucial. A well-chosen name can convey professionalism, reliability, and clinical efficacy to healthcare professionals, while also being memorable and reassuring to patients. And yes, AI can be a powerful ally in this creative process. Let's start with ChatGPT. Imagine you're launching a new wearable health monitor that tracks heart rate and sleep patterns. You might say, I'm developing a wearable health monitor aimed at seniors, focusing on simplicity and reliability. Could you suggest 10 potential names? Before submitting the question, I would add an overview of your brand voice and your target personas too. ChatGPT will generate a list of names based on your input, considering both the clinical and patient perspectives. Next, you can check the availability of these names using Microsoft Bing. Enter the proposed brand name followed by domain availability or social media username availability. This helps ensure that your brand can maintain a consistent online presence. While AI can suggest many creative names, it's crucial to verify that the name is legally available for use, particularly in the healthcare industry, which often faces stricter regulations. Don't forget before finalizing your brand name to check trademark registrations, domain availability, and desirable social media handles to secure your brand's online identity. In terms of target persona, remember to look at the clinical basis. For names targeting healthcare professionals, focus on medical accuracy and alignment with healthcare terminology. Also look at the patient basis. For names targeting patients, emphasize ease of pronunciation, spelling, memorability, and emotional appeal. Consider the healthcare decision-making process. If clinicians are the gatekeepers and health consumers cannot get the product without their prescription or referral, the name should foster trust and reflect medical benefits. If patients are able to directly choose the product, the name should also focus on marketing appeal and personal benefits. Remember to address cultural and linguistic considerations by ensuring the name translates well across different languages and cultures without losing meaning or appearing insensitive. For example, do you remember the story decades ago about the Chevy Nova, a compact car that was made in the US and sold globally? When the Nova was introduced to Mexico, consumer reaction was hilarious because the phrase Nova in Spanish means does not go. So how well are those car ads going to go over when the name is literally a no-go? That is just too funny, right? Look at your brand names right now. Are they easy for healthcare consumers to say, spell, and remember accurately? If not, you may have a serious issue that impacts the market adoption of your product or service. Additionally, you'll want to maintain a consistent brand image internationally, possibly with variations tailored to specific cultural contexts. Also, comply with regulatory standards by ensuring the name isn't misleading and checking for existing trademarks in the healthcare domain. Before finalizing a name, conduct thorough market research and testing within your target demographics. Gather voice of customer and voice of clinician feedback on the name's appeal, ease of pronunciation, and check for any unintended associations or interpretations. By considering these factors, you can choose a name that not only aligns with marketing strategies and consumer perceptions, but also adheres to the ethical and professional standards expected in the healthcare industry. Be sure to check the downloadable resources section here, as I have created some guides that may help when using AI to assist with healthcare and medical device service and product brand naming. Happy naming, and remember, the right name is a key step toward a successful brand in the healthcare, life sciences, and medical device space. What names are you thinking of today? Use AI to help you refine the process. I'd love to hear what you come up with.